Hi everyone, welcome to Lebanon Valley College's Center for Academic Success. We are excited to introduce you to our team and the various academic support services that we offer to all students. At LVC, we want our students to find their best success. Our team believes that success can have varied definitions, and with the knowledge that success is unique to each individual student, we recognize the many forms and paths that success can take. One of our main goals is to help students meet their goals. Thus, we support students in learning how to learn, providing opportunities for continued academic engagement and the chance to practice skills and develop effective lifelong learning habits. The Center for Academic Success is dedicated to supporting all learners looking to reach their greatest potential through a variety of support mechanisms, including individual and group tutoring, one-to-one coaching and group support, and workshops.
Located in the lower level of the Allen W. Mund College Center, the Center for Academic Success is centrally located on LVC's campus, making it easy for students to find us and access resources. The center provides multiple options for studying and collaborating with fellow students.
We know that what it means to be successful academically is a bit different for every student. With this in mind, we offer a very student-centered, tailored approach to supporting all learners. Our highest priority is to support students in their pursuit to find not only academic success, but to stay actively engaged with their academics throughout their time at LVC. We work with students to create an individualized success plan, one that takes their own strengths, skills, and interests into consideration. We challenge students to meet the standards they have set for themselves to reach desired outcomes and break down semesters, courses, and assignments into actionable steps and achievable goals.
Pictured on this slide is our academic success team. From left to right, we have Hannah Stone, our academic success specialist, Sarah Bartz, the director of academic success, and Beth Julian, assistant dean for student success and retention. We regularly meet and work with a variety of students spanning all majors and class years. Beth and Sarah also serve as advisors to students in our exploratory major. Additionally, we each serve as an academic liaison to our athletic teams, working closely with coaches to support our student-athlete population. The Center for Academic Success offers ongoing academic coaching with Hannah, our academic success specialist. Students can utilize this service for short or long-term support in a variety of ways, including individual weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly meetings, small group meetings, or even a one-time meeting. In these sessions, Hannah works with students to improve skills in areas such as time management, accountability, organization, motivation, stress management, and studying. The Center for Academic Success offers a variety of resources, including worksheets and infographics helpful for planning, organizing, and scheduling. This service is available for all undergraduate students.
The Center for Academic Success offers a variety of services to support LVC undergraduates. One of our main offerings is tutoring. Our mission is to assist students in identifying strategies to support learning and enhance academic performance. In total, we have over 250 tutors, all of whom must undergo mandatory training that use a variety of tutoring techniques tailored to each student's individual learning style. Whether it's guiding students towards establishing their own writing process or collaboratively walking through the steps of a math problem, tutors work with the goal of inspiring students to become confident, independent learners prepared to meet academic challenges. Our services encompass subject tutoring, writing tutoring, both general writing skills and specific help for first-year students, and organizational tutoring, all of which we will explain in more detail in the upcoming slides.
With over 250 tutors on our roster, peer tutoring makes up nearly 75%. Our tutors are recommended by faculty, noted for strengths in leadership, mastery of course content, and excellent demonstrated communication and critical thinking skills. We have tutors for most 100 and 200 level courses, and we are often able to find tutors for upper level courses on an as-needed basis as well. A free service provided to all LVC students, tutoring is offered in a one-to-one or group setting. Some students only want to meet once or a few times a semester near a big assignment or an exam. Other students prefer to set up a weekly or bi-weekly schedule. The schedule is determined by student preference and tutor availability, though we do encourage tutors to recognize if their service is prohibiting a student from becoming an effective independent learner. In this case, a tutor might suggest reducing how often they meet with a client. 78% of students who frequently utilize peer tutors report that they are able to study more independently and effectively. In fact, many of our peer tutors have been tutored themselves. Proactively recognizing the benefits of academic support early on will lead to long-term academic engagement and success.
Since writing is a skill that is essential in any job, LVC's general education curriculum includes several courses aimed to develop and sharpen students' writing skills. However, we recognize that not everyone feels confident about their writing skills, and many are still searching for a personalized writing process that works for them. It is that reason why our writing tutors focus on creating better writers, not better papers. That means tutors work with students to help build writing skills that are essential to succeed in our college coursework. Writing tutors aren't editors. They won't take a paper, mark it up, and then return it. In that scenario, the student doesn't learn anything. Writing tutoring is a collaborative process where the student retains complete ownership of their writing. The tutor simply offers guidance, feedback, and direction. Writing tutors are available for specific disciplines if requested in advance, and we have designated writing support for first-year students as well. For students who need last-minute help, there are drop-in hours 4 nights a week, no appointment needed.
Organizational tutors are students who have been identified as having exceptional organizational skills. Organizational tutors help other students identify their best study methods, homework habits, and time management techniques, and serve as academic role models to their peers. Occasionally, a student may start by meeting with an organizational tutor and then transition to meeting with our academic success specialist, or vice versa. We prioritize helping students in an environment that is comfortable for them and optimal for their success.
Often, the best learning happens in a group setting. Students can share a variety of views, learn different ways to problem solve, and develop strong teamwork and cooperative skills, which are attributes that every employer desires. For these reasons, LVC offers group study sessions called study pods that meet anywhere from 1 to 3 times a week, depending on demand. Each group session is led by a faculty-nominated student mentor called a pod leader, whose job is to answer questions, clarify content, explain concepts, review materials, and model effective study strategies. We encourage students to seek this resource out early and frequently to maximize the benefits. And our numbers don't lie. 93% of students who habitually attend study pods agreed that they feel more confident in their academic abilities to succeed in class. Since pods are set at the same time and day each week, they are easy to plan into a student's calendar.
Finals week can add an extra stressor to students' lives, especially if students don't plan out their study schedule accordingly. Before finals week, we offer around 25 study jams, which are final exam reviews for specific courses that are high demand for tutoring. These sessions are typically scheduled a few days before the final to discourage students from cramming, which doesn't work if the final exam is cumulative. Since their inception 4 years ago, 88% of attendees agreed or strongly agreed that they felt more prepared and confident for the final exam after attending the review session.
Beginning in the fall 2020 semester, the Center for Academic Success will roll out a weekly workshop series. This workshop series will be available for all students and will provide an in-depth look at various pieces of a successful academic career at LVC, such as time and stress management, overcoming procrastination, managing test anxiety, and studying effectively. We'd like to highlight 2 of these workshops that we are very excited about. The first is the First Year Student Success Workshop, designed to help first-year students transition from high school to academic life at LVC. This workshop will familiarize students with our available academic resources and provide tips and techniques to adjust to a rigorous course load. The next workshop that we would like to highlight is called Save My Semester. It is not uncommon for a student to arrive at the midterm point in a semester with grades lower than they expected or hoped for. This workshop is designed to provide action steps to create a plan to help students turn their semester around in a positive direction. Our workshop schedule is still being finalized and will be publicized on our website over the summer.
Beyond the specific academic support effort we've just outlined, the Academic Success Team is also part of Lebanon Valley College's CARE Team, which is a group of faculty and staff dedicated to the health, wellness, and success of each student academically, socially, emotionally, and physically. The team identifies and develops an individualized success plan for students who may experience a variety of challenges and could benefit from additional support or assistance. This outreach is to help make students aware of available resources, establish or strengthen connections in the LVC community, and support students to achieve their academic, personal, and professional goals. Here's how it works. Any LVC staff member who is concerned about a student's academic or personal well-being is encouraged to submit a care referral. Concerns typically range from academic, including irregular attendance or poor performance, to personal or emotional concerns, such as sudden changes in behavior or a noted lack of connection to classmates. All information is kept confidentially between the members of the care team. Depending on the concern, a team member is assigned to reach out to the student and collaboratively work towards a solution. The team as a whole then meets weekly to provide updates and address follow-ups.
For more information on anything we've covered, please visit our website. You can also follow us on Instagram at Academic Success LVC to see our latest updates and inside tips on achieving academic success.
If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at findyoursuccess@lvc.edu. We look forward to connecting with you. Thank you.